polyphonetic characters 多音字。This sentence 这个方便面很便宜。Here 方便 is an adjective. It has the meaning convenient. And 便宜 is also an adjective. It means cheap. 这个方便面很便宜。This instant noodle is very cheap. Dieser Instant Noodle ist sehr günstig. 方便面便宜。